Hello. On the Geek Mesa server we are going to be holding an Overwatch 1v1 tournament. With prizes. In order to set up a bracket, I need to see how many of our members will be participating. If you would like to participate, respond to this message with your Battle.net tag. If you do not own the game, do not want to participate, please let me know so I can put your name down as a definitive no. Thanks and have a good day.